on here. I'm going to show off my pile of wood that's for sale for 2018. There's 12 cubic cord here, and in a few minutes we're going to take you on a tour of the wood pile.
Big John, Big John, Big Bad John, Big John.
Full cord here of mostly dead elm that was cut on the farm behind me. It's all ready to go. And then we have two face cord here of maple. This couple trees in the sugar bush blew down there in the windstorm in the spring. So I got it out. There's two face cord of that. As we keep going down here, right here we have two full cord, as you can see. Right here of if you notice, it's kind of like split fine. It's for a special order for somebody that they wanted it split fine for their old-fashioned cook stove. It's a lot more work to split it fine, but it's an order for somebody. And if you go back here, you can actually see some of the wood, how dry it's getting. The bark's just coming right off it. That's maple. This whole pile is maple. Look at that. Really dry. We've had a lot of hot weather here. Oh, hi puppy. There's my dog, Belle. Hi Belle, say hi Belle. Want a stick? Want a stick? Okay, go away. Oh, I'm back, and we're continuing the tour of the wood pile. We got some different types of wood in this pile. We have maple. We got some black cherry right here. Nice dry. Hickory. There's some nice hickory. It's mostly maple in this pile right here. There's a little bit of ash. There's some ash right here. It's all hardwood. Hey, come with me and we'll look at the pile of wood. Each row is a full cubic cord. So each pile is 2 cubic cord in each pile. I like piling it like this because it dries better. Because if you put too many rows together, dry as good. If it's just right the way this is here, the wind just blows right up and down the rows. We'll keep going. We'll go around here. Nice and dry. Here's some pine that blew down in that same windstorm that we talked about before. A couple of big pine trees, so I'll just split that up and use it for the outdoor furnace this winter. Kind of junky wood for the outdoor furnace. That from the when I cut wood, so keep coming up here. All this small stuff up here in the hill is just like all tops and branches. I just cut it and saved it for the outdoor furnace. Okay, now we're going to have a little fun here. I was mentioning the rows. As you can look through the rows, the wind kind of blows up and down them and dries it out, but it's also a great thing to have like that, so you can have wood races, like obstacle course races, back and forth. I'm going to demonstrate here in a minute. Going to be like the World Championship wood pile racing.
1, 2, 3.